In this and the following lecture, we're going to delve into more advanced tools to manipulate data frames. We look at a dataset from the Eurostat database on the treatment of waste. Like we did in the previous lecture, we start by viewing the file with the shell command head. Then we use the PANDAS method read table to load the text file as a data frame. We rename a few waste categories and all the waste management operations. Then we take care of the footnote markers and of the numerical values. Finally, we use head to view the first 5 lines of the data frame. Now we would like to have a look at the way different types of waste are processed in different countries. We focus on the amount of non-hazardous waste collected in 2014 and expressed in kilograms per capita. The method pivot table allows us in one go to create a new table which expresses the values in the column 2014 in terms of the unique labels in the columns country and operation. In this cell, we combine several methods. In order to do that on multiple lines, we enclose the code in parentheses. First, we filter the unit, the hazard, and the type of waste using Boolean masking. Second, we apply pivot table, specifying country as the index, operation as the column, 2014 as the values, and first as the aggregation function. This function simply takes the first occurrence of the value for a given combination of country and operation. Since we have filtered only one type of waste, the total waste, the first occurrence is in this case the only value. Notice that here we are not aggregating the data, but rather we are presenting part of the original dataset in a convenient way. We view only a few countries: Sweden, Italy, Denmark, and Greece. We can see that the mass of waste per capita in Sweden is much larger than in other countries, and that most of it ends up in landfills. If we change the waste category from total to mineral, we can see that the large mass of Swedish waste is mainly mineral waste. Regarding plastic waste, we notice that in Italy and Denmark it is mostly recycled, while in Sweden a significant part of it is turned into energy through burning. The tool pivot table is commonly used to aggregate data. Let's say that we want to consider plastic and rubber waste as a single category. We filter both and specify sum for the option agfunc. The resulting table shows the sum of the plastic and rubber waste values.